Okay, today I want to solve the problem with my DeWalt trim router. After I've been using it for a few years, and I was frequently swapping the bases from the round base to half round base. These bolts eventually worn out. I was expecting them to be made from harder steel, but unfortunately they are not. So now I will show you that they are impossible to be removed. Okay, let's give it one last try. As you can see, there is nothing I can do at this stage, at this point. And just making it even worse. So what we are going to do, we will try this set of damaged screws or damaged bolts remover. I will put the link to these in the description. And now we need to decide which size we are going to use. Selected the size number 2. Anti-clockwise rotation. Wow. It actually extracted it straight away. Wow. I didn't even have to switch to the other side. So as you can see, this tool is really amazing. I wanted to show you that we need to switch to the other side, and I didn't even have to do it. The bolts are still hot, but the extraction was successful. So now I'm going to replace them with the stainless steel hard bolts. Alright, so the final step of the extraction of the broken bolt. I bought the stainless steel M4 with the button head, and it fits the DeWalt trim router. Okay, and the last one. Okay. Okay, success.